Bucky in there? Huh? Where's Bucky? Where's Bucky? Look. Honey, go find Bucky. Go find Bucky and Frizzy. Yeah. There's Bucky and Frizzy. There they are. There's Frizzy. Go see Frizzy. See? Oh, that's the dog next door. Look. Frizzy, why are you eating bunny food? Huh? There's Bucky. He's going to come out and get you. Come here, honey. Come here. She could care less about Bucky and Frizzy. Yeah. Go see Bucky. What we got coming over here? Huh? Oh, there goes Jailbird. And there's Frizzy. She's all frizzy. And there's Easter. She poops out Easter eggs. And hopefully I'm getting this. This is Jailbird. Jailbird's sweet. Maybe you can hear her. She just makes little noises. Okay, Jailbird. Go with your friends. Go on. And there, Honey's going to herd them back into their kennel. Oh, no, gotta stop and... No! Drop it. She likes eating chicken shit. And here comes Frizzy again. Oh, Jailbird wants to come too. Come for a visit. Come here, Jailbird. Come on, Jailbird. Come on. Come on. Come on, you three. Yeah. And Honey Girl's just right here. Leaving them alone. Yeah, you got to get up close. Is that it, honey? Take them home.